Hey yo, it's Chris O. Some people are saying that I'm not showing enough of a floor tiling. So here we go, here's a floor I'm doing. What I do is I always sweep each row I do. And it's surprising how the fluff and dust, it's surprising how much is on the floor. But if you sweep each row, you're laughing, because then it's beautiful and clean, and you're not bringing in any dust from anywhere. So today's a bludgy day for me, because all I'm doing is just laying fullies. And guys that like, it's a bludgy day when I'm doing bathrooms and it's just walls all day. Here is a bludgy day because I'm just laying fullies all day. So you just chill out, turn the music up, enjoy what sort of music you like, and you're away laughing. Just like that. I should have just wiped some of the glue away a little. Right, some tiles. Because I haven't done a floor like this for a little while, I mainly do bathrooms. I've forgotten my little trolley. I've got two of them at home. You stack your tiles up, 4 or 5, 6 packs, and you just wheel it along as you go. I'll bring it tomorrow. With these tiles, I don't have to worry about a grain or anything like that. It's, I'm lucky, it's just like, that's the pattern, it's all over the place. So we're good to go. When you see people, when you see a lot of glue being spread out, it's not the thing to do. Spread and lay as you go. So then you've got no chance of the glue skinning. Press it down into your glue and you're laughing. I don't do many floors, I reckon they're too bloody boring. I do a lot of mainly bathrooms. I'll spread for 2 tiles, but not any further. When you're laying outside in the sunshine, or when you're doing around a pool, don't lay tiles that have been exposed to the sun and they're hot, because they instantly dry the glue and they'll always go drummy. That's a little thing to remember, DIYs, if you're doing around your pool area. Always lay a tile that's cold. I need to get some more tiles. That's all there is to it. Laying a floor. A lot of guys like floors. Shit, I don't. Boring. See you in a minute. I'll just get some tiles.